harnessing the power of pricing to increase profitability. There are 4 ways, aka levers, to affect profit. In general terms, the first 2, price and volume, can be thought of as sales levers, and the second 2, variable costs and fixed costs, can be thought of as operations levers. What happens when each of these has a 1% improvement? What is the effect on profitability? In 1992, McKinsey & Company published a survey in the Harvard Business Review that said, in no uncertain terms, price was the clear front runner in terms of profit levers. A 1% increase in price yielded an 11% improvement in profit margin. No other lever came close, which is why we talk about pricing so much. In the legal industry, we can see this very clearly as recently as the 2017 report on the state of the legal market, published by Georgetown University Law Center, Thomson Reuters, and Peer Monitor. They concluded that the last decade of financial performance in the industry was driven primarily by rate increases. How do you leverage pricing to improve, to increase your profitability? First, the V word. Your price must reflect your value. If you haven't defined, if you don't understand your firm's value, you must start there. Why are you in business? Why do clients purchase your services? Second, you then must ask, what do the buyers value? Not only in the marketplace, what are their wants, what are their needs, but specifically from you, what are they looking for that you can offer? The third is that you must respect, not reflect, your competition. All buyers have choices. In the legal industry, we don't know whether or not our competitors are as good at pricing as we are. So why should we follow their price? So it's good for us to understand what the competition is doing, because that, after all, is our buyers or our clients' alternative to us. But we need to make sure we're not following, we're not reflecting that price. Just be aware and respect what they're doing. The fourth lever is that you must utilize psychology. The social sciences, price is in fact a social science, because it's so dependent on human behavior. And so much goes into buyer psychology as well as price psychology that firms need to educate themselves about how these tactics, how these tools affect our pricing. The final avenue to pull your price lever is to ensure your firm is teaching price negotiation. Lawyers tend to be very good at negotiating on behalf of their clients and not very good negotiating on their own behalf, which is why after the Great Recession, we were so quick to give away 10, 15% as an industry to our buyers. That should never have happened. You never give away, rather you trade off. These are the 5 ways to pull the price lever to help you and your firm harness the power of pricing to increase profitability.